Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change video quality on Netflix. You can change the video quality of the video that you are watching and the quality of the video that you are gonna download. Now to do so, firstly head over to the Netflix app. There is no separate settings or option in the video that you are watching, so you have to do from your profile settings. So head over to the profile icon at the top right. After that, tap on app settings option, and there you can see video playback option. Tap on that option, and here by default it will be added to automatic, as it will change your video quality depending upon your internet speed. Now if you don't want that to happen, then you can just tap on choose manually. If you want lower quality, then you can just second option save data, that will provide you lower video quality. And if you want higher video quality, then you can just tap on maximum data and watch video on best quality. Now if you want to choose Wi-Fi only, as it is similar to automatic, it will provide you higher or lower quality depending upon your internet speed. Now if you want to change your video quality on your downloaded video, then you can just scroll a bit down, and there you can see download video quality in the download section. Now by default it will add it to standard, but if you want high quality of video, then you can just tap on second option. It will allow you to download higher quality videos on Netflix. And that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.